All right, folks, so the time is finally here. This is the car I had in high school. My first car, 1979 Foxbody. 4-speed manual, 302 Ford small block V8. So the first order of business, I'd like to drive this thing on the road, but the problem is the brake booster down here was totally rotted out, and it started to leak, and it caused a vacuum leak on the engine. So it's pretty bad, as you can see. I did not know the rust on the booster was this bad, but it is. So that's why the car was not running right, because I had a vacuum leak coming from the booster there. So I've got the booster out. The problem is we've got some rust here on the firewall. We're going to have to get that taken care of. I think I can get a wire wheel in there and a screwdriver and scrape that out. I don't think it's too deep in the firewall. I think it should be okay. But I had to take the interior partially apart. Had to take the seat out, and you can see how trashed this is. There's squirrels and things have gotten under here. There's nuts underneath the carpet. So I had to go up in here and get 4 bolts loose. It was a horrendous job. You can see right there the 3 of the 4. And I wanted to halfway kill myself trying to get those out of there. But I was able to use some extensions and a swivel and get that out. This is all original 79 Mustang, like I said, 4-speed car. This is a factory Cobra car. Don't know how many of those were made, but it does not have air conditioning. It's the only thing that would be kind of nice if this car had. But that's okay. The goal is I want to take the thing drag racing. I always wanted to do that back in high school, but never really got the chance to do it. I have put still got dual exhaust, not really anything special. But I do have a Ford 8.8 inch rear end here. It came with a 7.5, so this is a new 8.8 inch with the limited slip. The original was an open differential. We've got some Cobra replica wheels on here. Still got the drums in the back, but do have hard discs in the front. As you can see, the car's not really been driven very much, but we're going to put a 4-barrel carburetor on. It's only got a 2-barrel. And we're going to do some stuff with the distributor, put an MSD ignition on it, get some drag tires, things like that. Should run pretty good. Possibly looking at putting some headers on it too. It's just got these old manifolds. These cars are only rated at 140 horsepower factory, which is not very much. So this is going to be Project Stockbody. I'm taking parts from Ford Explorer. There's a smog pump on here I'd like to get rid of. I've got a 5-speed to put in it from a newer Mustang. I got some lower gears, things like that. So I've got the new master cylinder and brake booster here. So we'll get those put in soon and get this thing back on the road running good.